Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website responsive. A responsive website automatically adapts its layout and content to fit any screen size, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. This ensures your visitors always have an excellent experience, no matter what device they are using. It also significantly boosts your site's performance in search engine rankings. To begin, choose a high-quality responsive WordPress theme. These themes are built with flexibility in mind, providing a solid base. Next, utilize flexible grid layouts, which allow your content to rearrange itself smoothly across different screen sizes. Don't forget to optimize your images and other media. This ensures quick loading times, crucial for mobile users. WordPress offers powerful tools for customization. The built-in customizer allows you to see changes live as you adjust responsive settings. For more precise control, employ CSS media queries to apply specific styles based on screen width, like changing font sizes or element positioning. Always test your site on multiple devices to ensure everything looks perfect. For optimal results, embrace a mobile-first design strategy, building your site primarily for smaller screens and then scaling up. Consistently test your website's responsiveness using browser developer tools or actual devices. Verify that all your plugins and content are also mobile-friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for every visitor, every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.